In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine Canva images into stunning collages. If you've ever wanted a quick, professional way to showcase multiple photos in one design, this simple Canva workflow will help you create a collage that looks polished and intentional. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Templates section on the homepage. This is where Canva keeps thousands of ready-made layouts, and it's the fastest way to get a clean structure without starting from scratch. In the search bar at the top of Templates, type Photo Collage. This keyword pulls up designs specifically built to combine multiple images, so you're not piecing things together manually. Take a moment to browse through the results. You'll see options with different vibes: minimal grids, scrapbook styles, bold magazine layouts, and more. Look for a template that fits your purpose, whether that's a travel recap, product showcase, family photos, or social media content. Check the orientation and the number of image frames so it matches where you plan to use it, like Instagram, a flyer, or a presentation slide. If you see a crown icon, that means it's a pro template. Free templates work great too, so choose what fits your account. When you've found the one, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor with all the photo frames and placeholders ready to go. This is where your images come in. Open the Uploads panel on the left, then upload the photos you want to use. You can drag images from your computer straight into the Uploads area, or use the Upload button to select them from a folder. Once your images are uploaded, replace the placeholders by dragging each photo from the Uploads panel onto a frame in the template. When you hover over a frame, it will highlight, and dropping the image will snap it neatly into place. If a subject isn't centered the way you want, double-click the image to adjust the crop and reposition it within the frame. You can also use the zoom slider inside the crop view to fine-tune the fit. Repeat this process for each frame until your collage is fully populated. As a final pass, keep the overall balance in mind. Mix wide shots with close-ups, vary colors so one side doesn't feel too heavy, and aim for consistent lighting across the images. If a photo feels too dark or too warm, a subtle brightness or temperature tweak can help everything feel cohesive. And remember, you can always swap any image by dragging in a different upload. That's it. Your Canva collage is assembled, clean, and ready to impress.